But let's get talking on a couple of more queries. We have Manju who calls in from Delhi and she has investments in Cipla. Manju, go ahead.
Yeah,
Hi.
I have 300. Hi. I have 300 shares of Cipla bought at the rate of 658 rupees.
Okay.
And Divi's Lab 100 shares at price of 1900.
Okay.
And I can wait for 6 months. So I wanted to know the view on both of these shares.
Okay, so you've bought Divi's at 1900 rupees and you've bought Cipla at 658, and how long are you willing to hold it for?
6 months.
Okay, you're planning to hold it for 6 months. Gaurang, what would you recommend Divi's and Cipla for a 6 month horizon, considering the little bit of profit booking we've seen in the pharmaceutical stocks in recent days, especially post this quarter's numbers? Do you think it's a good idea? Might take longer for it to recover?
Yes, Ekta, and I guess if she can extend the time horizon, I think she will end up getting better returns. And given the kind of market direction as well, we believe that at least for next couple of months there is not going to be any major sell-off or a major uptick on the market. It's going to be a consolidation zone, and within which I think pharmaceuticals would definitely play some role along with IT in terms of safe haven investments. But her investment in Divi's, well, if she can extend the time horizon, she can definitely stay invested. The worry is with Cipla. And as a disclosure, the price targets that we had set aside was already achieved. So in case if she gets an uptick because her acquisition price is a little bit higher, she can use that uptick, and if she translates her 6 months period to 1 year plus, then in our preference we would advise her to look at Sun Pharma and Cipla, both of which have actually corrected quite a lot, and we don't see any meaningful downside from here on given the kind of positivities in terms of merger of Ranbaxy with Sun Pharma and in terms of new launches from Lupin. So if she can actually extend the time horizon, switch from Cipla to Sun Pharma or Lupin, and on Divi's Laboratories with a 1 year plus time horizon, she can definitely stay invested.
All right, that's the advice that's coming from Manju. Hope that works. Up next, we have another caller, Vernika, who calls in from Mumbai. Hi, Vernika. How can we help you?
Yeah, hi. I have a question. So I want to start a SIP of 2,500 each into ELSS MF for 36 months.
Okay.
And one SIP of 5,000 into mid-cap oriented funds for 12 months.
Okay.
So which are the funds I can invest in?
Okay, Vanika, I have just one question for you. You're so young, you're barely 23. Why are you looking at such short-term time horizons of just 36 months or 12 months? I mean, is there some sort of a need that you have for funds at these time intervals?
I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
I'm asking that, are you in need of funds after 12 months or 36 months? I mean, why are you choosing such a short time horizon? Okay, I don't think we're on a very clear line right now. So Pankaj, she's very young, she's just 23. She on her own is looking at time horizons of 12 months and 36 months. So unless there is a need of funds at this time, would you advise that she look at extending that time horizon, and what would be the choice of funds?
Sumera, because in equity she is investing, so 1 year definitely it is a very, very short period. And that also she is expecting, she wants to invest in mid-cap funds. But anyway, because she does not have a clear goal or time horizon, as far as schemes are concerned for ELSS, I recommend her to invest in Axis Long-Term Equity Fund, and another scheme can be ICICI Prudential Tax Plan. So if she wants to invest through SIP route, it is good. She can invest every month for 36 months, and lock-in is also 3 years. So that she should understand that if you invest in this scheme, because she is investing through SIP route, so each purchase is considered as a fresh investment. So whenever she invests 2,500 rupees, from that date that those units will be locked for 3 years. So that she should keep in mind that she cannot redeem her entire investment after 3 years from the first date of purchase. As far as mid-cap funds are concerned, she can consider SBI Magna Mid-Cap Fund or ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund. These are good schemes, but again, 1 year is not a sufficient time for equity, especially for mid-cap fund. If she wants to invest only for 1 year, fine, but at least she should not redeem those units after 1 year. She should remain invested for long term, set your goal, link that investment to your goal at least for 3 to 5 year minimum. Then only you can expect good returns from your investment.